Hey guys, it's Gina and I'm super excited to share with you. I recently purchased another bird feeder for my backyard. So let me show you close up. This does have your typical handle on the top for easy access to put in the feed. The whole entire exterior of this is metal and even the roof is metal also. So I want to show you around each of these sides, there are these little levers. These are for the birds to, of course, to sit on, and they fold down on all four sides. That's it as far as putting it together. And I was actually pretty pleasantly surprised by that. It is kind of a dark red color, almost like that barn red color. But let's fill it up, and I want to show you how easy that is, and then we're going to go hang it outside. So once you have that roof off, you're literally just going to pour this right in the top. But look how easy that is. Simply put the lid on, attach your little hook, and we're going outside to hang up our new bird feeder. As you can see here, we already have our bird feeder that we hung up the other day. Now we have a new one. Come on, birds. Hopefully the birds will come here soon and start eating. So I love this, and I think it looks great with the one that I already have hanging up. Absolutely love this bird feeder. I love how simple it is. Out of the box, put your feet in and you're ready to go. This is definitely a really good find.